Hello to my dear, beloved student, especially to the students of University of Gilan at Iran, where I had taught for 30 years. Here I am going to show you how to solving any hard complicated geometric mathematics by Solidworks. There is a problem. Square links 10 centimeter, which made by an arc. Now what is the red area? Mr. Presh Talwalker has solved this problem and find the area of 9.77 centimeter square. We shape that area extruded to a height of 1 centimeter. So if you find this volume, then it will be easy to find the red area. So I'm going to show you how to extrude it. Here is we extruded that red shape to the height of 1 centimeter. So if we find the volume, then it will be easy to find the red area. As you see here, SolidWorks can find any kind of a strange shape. So we find this volume very easy. Go to the evaluate and mass property. As you see over here, there is a show the volume of this shape is 9.77 cubic centimeter. Because the height of this shape is 1 centimeter, then we must say the red area must be equal to the volume of this shape.